Have you ever wondered how 5G technology is revolutionizing industrial maintenance? For years, we've relied on conventional methods that, while reliable, have been riddled with challenges. Costly repairs, time-consuming procedures, and safety hazards have long been the bane of traditional industrial maintenance. Picture this: a factory where machines break down without warning, causing production delays, and where maintenance teams scramble to fix the problem, often at a high cost. Or a power plant, where the risk of accidents is always looming due to the inability to predict equipment failure. These are just a few examples of the limitations of old-school maintenance methods. But the winds of change are blowing, ushering in a new era of efficiency and safety in industrial maintenance. Enter 5G technology, our knight in shining armor. This game changer is set to revolutionize the way we maintain our industries. With its high speeds, low latency, and connectivity benefits, 5G is poised to transform the industrial landscape, making real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and remote troubleshooting a reality. As we wave goodbye to traditional methods, we open the door to a new era of maintenance powered by 5G technology. Imagine a world where real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and remote troubleshooting become the norm in industrial maintenance. Picture this: a world where issues are detected and resolved even before they become problems. This is possible thanks to the power of 5G technology and its trio of game-changing features: high speeds, low latency, and improved connectivity. Let's delve into this a bit. High speeds mean data can be transferred faster than ever before. This allows for real-time monitoring of equipment, providing minute-to-minute updates on their status. Now imagine coupling this with low latency, the small delay during data transfer. The lower the latency, the faster the response time. This means that any detected issues can be addressed almost instantly, preventing potential breakdowns. And then we have improved connectivity. With 5G, devices can communicate more effectively, leading to seamless remote troubleshooting. This improves not just efficiency, but also safety, as potential hazards can be identified and eliminated promptly. So, what does this all mean? It means that with 5G, we're looking at a future where industrial maintenance is more efficient, safer, and more reliable than ever. With 5G, the future of industrial maintenance is not just a possibility, it's a reality. However, like any revolutionary technology, 5G comes with its own set of challenges. The first hurdle is the significant financial investment required to implement this advanced technology. It's a substantial commitment, but one that promises a high return on investment in the long run. Next, we encounter the cybersecurity risks that come with increased connectivity. In an era where cyber threats are more prevalent than ever, securing these networks is of paramount importance. It's not just about protecting company data, but also ensuring the safety and reliability of the entire industrial operation. Finally, we face the issue of data privacy. With 5G enabling the collection and analysis of vast amounts of data, ensuring compliance with data privacy laws becomes an essential task. It's about respecting the rights of individuals and maintaining their trust. But fear not. These challenges, as daunting as they may seem, are not insurmountable. By implementing multi-layered security measures, adhering to data privacy laws, and fostering collaboration with industry stakeholders and cybersecurity experts, we can effectively navigate these obstacles. Navigating these challenges is crucial to unlocking the full potential of 5G in industrial maintenance. So, what does the advent of 5G technology mean for real-time maintenance monitoring? Well, it's a game changer. We've talked about the revolution in industrial maintenance and the power of 5G technology. Now, let's bring those together. The high speeds and low latency of 5G allow for real-time monitoring, a feat that was challenging with previous technologies. This means that maintenance teams can instantaneously detect issues, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Moreover, 5G's connectivity benefits extend far beyond speed. With a vast network of connected devices, 5G enables predictive analytics, allowing us to foresee potential issues and address them before they escalate. It's like having a crystal ball for your machinery. Importantly, 5G also enhances safety. By remotely troubleshooting issues, maintenance teams can avoid dangerous situations, making industrial environments safer for everyone. The impact of 5G technology on real-time maintenance monitoring is profound, ushering in a new era of efficiency and safety in industrial maintenance. This is not just an evolution, it's a revolution, and we're just at the beginning. If you found this video informative and want to keep up with the latest developments in the field, we encourage you to like this video. Your support helps us continue creating content like this. And if you want to stay on top of the 5G revolution, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more content in the pipeline that you won't want to miss. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more insightful content about the fast-paced world of 5G and industrial maintenance. Join us as we delve deeper into this exciting revolution. Stay informed, stay ahead, stay with us.